Thutha wa ndumere yagomeire bururi utuko wa gatano kiumia kihituku kuria thitima ciorire bururi wothe, riu kamiti ya mbunge igi hinya niunanire njung'wa na anyiti itemi matiganite ruhonge-ini ruru kumenya haria mbugi yatereire muriha. Mbere ya kamiti ino, minista wa hinya Davis CHIRCHIR na murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya KPLC Joseph Siror mekora makibatarikana gucokia ciuria cia uria undu uyu wahanikire.
A system disturbance occurred that led to a loss of 270 megawatts generation from the interconnected grid.
The system lost 190 megawatts in 150 milliseconds. That was a very short period of time. When you lose 15% at an instant, no system, at least in the level that we have, would actually survive it.
Ona gutuika ministry ino nigwetire gatithio ka mitambo ceceni-ini ya thitima cia ruhuho ya Turkana ta undu wacungiririe thina uyu, Minister CHIRCHIR nietikiritie ati ministry yake ndiri irahota gukura kuna kiria giacungiririe thitima kura icigo-ini ciothe bururi-ini.
There is yet a lot of work being done in looking at all the data and system logs, because there is an event recorded for every activity that happens in every power generator, in every transmission system.
In the past, we have always used the Uganda line. That is when the rest of the Kenyan system has collapsed. Then we use the UETCL link, the UEB, which comes to Lesos, and then we recover the rest of the system. But when this happened, that was not available, so we had to start systems right from the scratch, and that normally takes some time.
Kamiti ino igitongorio ni muikariri giti wayo Vincent Musyoka icungiririo kurutira ministry no watho, riu ikienda ikorwo ikinyeirio riboti yothe ihinda-ini ria thikũ 12 kuria riboti ino ibataire gutariria kuna niki kiahanikire bururi ugikora nduma-ini ndumanu.
We don't want is the entire country. We can be able to do with some 30% going for some hours or some minutes, but the idea of having the entire country on blackout, I think whatever the cost of the system, that one must not be tolerated.
It is worrying that because we are importing power from Ethiopia, we are importing power from Uganda. Suppose even from the other side someone seriously decides to send excess power to Kenya, we again expect to have another power blackout the whole country.
Ningi ambunge nimekireire nganja kura gwa thitima kundu guothe bururi-ini. Kiuria kinene kiri uria Kenya Power etakirie mitambo yayo ya thitima cia thamo iria cibatie kuerera thitima cia miruki na cia kuma mai-ini cingigia na gatithio.
When I look at how much thermal was available at that particular point in time, it was 244. Where were they at that particular time?
Kenya Power yoneka gwitetera ikigweta gukorwo yambiririe kuhinga mitambo ya thitima cia thamo kuona nicio thitima iria ithondekagwo na thogora wa iguru makiria.
Somebody has to take responsibility, and from where I sit, that responsibility must be somewhere around the generators or our dear friends Kenya Power or the transmission lines.
Riu ministry ino gwetete gukorwo ithondekete timu ya mainjinia 50 aria mohegeriire hari utambia wa thitima na aria magukorwo makihariria riboti ya thina uyu guko ningi magiteithiriria ministry ino gutigirira bururi uri utheri-ini mahinda mothe. Handũ-ini ya Kameme TV, Retorako ni Mbataru wa Mwangi.